Then shall her ordeal know no bound, for her days shall bring forth the ruin. In the bushes, bereft of power and prowess, benighted and beaten. Be wary of her beauty, for her beauty will not last long.
My bosom friend Achikala, what drives you to the peak of cheerfulness? For I see in your eyes the love. Love blooms and grows in Ubene land. Am I not lucky? Am I not lucky to be the chosen one?
The chosen one? Who do you speak of?
Jideofor, the heart and light of this clan. Oh, how I bask and revere in the light of this day. Glow, glow. I glow in the thought and blossom of his deeds, of his words. I revere him. Promise me, my love, promise me that your eyes search for me alone and no one else.
Achikala, I may be revered in the entire Ubene clan and desired by many maidens, but the one whose beauty outstrips yours, I have not seen.
What do you do to me? Oh, it's your words. Your words pierce deep into the crevice of my heart. I want tomorrow. Camera. My dear friend, please, I need to know. Speak to me. Are you happy for me? Please. I really need to know.
Achikala, why would you ask that? You are my dear friend. And you know I hold you in high regards. And I know your love for Jideofor soars above the mud and depths of yonder. But what? Your brother, Foma. His dreams, his words.
Those words of his were lies and perdition.
Lies? It was not a lie when he dreamt about the ambush and the death of your father. It came to pass and you know it. Achikala, it happened. This is not a lie.
No one, I repeat, no one shall take my victory. No one.
Afoma, the gods have blessed me. I am revered by many maidens in this kingdom. They look to me. They hold me in high esteem. Thanks to the gods that have blessed me with the gift of healing.
Admire your adore, Shideofo.
I know. You are the brother I never had.
Thank you, Shideofo.
We shall tarry further. I need to get some onugu leaves. Ofoma, am I in a dream?
She looks real.
Ofoma, what do you see?
Flesh and blood is all I see before. She will depredate you.
A harmless maiden depredates me.
Do not go.
Let me help the harmless maiden. Ofoma, why are you suddenly still? For this grip of terror that has come over you frightens me.
It was her. I saw her in my dreams.
She's only a maiden.
Chideofo, my dreams are always true.
Not this time.
Do not go.
She's alive. She needs my help.
She's alive.
I told you. She's alive. I need to help her. Please help me. Come. I need to save her immediately.
She dared me. Achikala dared me.
What did she say? Tell it to me, Kaimara.
She asked if I were happy for her love growing endlessly with the man of her time, Jidofo.
And what was your response? Did you tell her how you wish to take him away and then steal the very air that she clings to?
Oh, how foolish was I? I told her that I was happy. But deep down, I was burning. I'm still am. She mocked me. Achikala mocked me.
But she begs for his love. the love she clamors for, he's never really looked her way. She's only lucky.
Lucky? Yes. Yes, she's lucky. But beautiful? No. I outshine her over and over again. I felt like I felt like strangling her. How I wish Jidofo would just look my way. How I wish he would just acknowledge me. Kaimara! Kaimara!
I wonder what is so special about Jidofo.
Curse me with your words, Ofoma, my brother.
She shall come like a wolf in a full bloom to take from you your heart and outstrip from you the glory of your days.
No. I am the most desired maiden in this clan. But far and wide, here in Ubene and beyond, I am well desired.
Not as desirable as a witch whose elements are moon and water. She is the river of death. She is the temptress.
Thank you, Hila.
I did nothing to heal you. The leaves we found on you revived you. You are beautiful. Your name?
Zerema.
Zerema. Where do you come from?
The haven of those leaves. It is my food.
So strange. Even as the greatest healer of Ubene, and with my knowledge of so many herbs, I have never heard or seen those leaves before.
It is the leaf of Otupa. They guide me.
I want to know you. I want you to draw me into your world.
Tell me, what do you see within these hollow eyes of mine?
I see a deep soul within. Mysterious. Who are your people?
I have no people. Maybe I'm just a rover. Maybe I'll find my truth someday. I guess it's time to go now.
No. Darkness will soon be upon us. You can come back to my abode. Please, stay with me.
Hold on, wise one! Hold on, wise one! Where are you? Where are you? A stranger is in our land! My brother Ofoma, the dreamer says she is the river of death. I have come to beseech you. I have come to beseech you. Wise one. Wise one. Where are you?
No one will outstrip me. No, I will not allow her. There will be war. There will be danger. Danger looms in the land of Ubene. For I, Achikala, shall lay waste her plot and bring to ruin her whim and caprice. I shall leave no stones unturned. No stones!
She is as beautiful as a goddess. And how are you sure she's not a goddess? Eh? Or a harbinger of bale and perdition? Biagili, you always think the worst. Uloma, Obiagili, I am certain Jidofo, my brother, has found his heart. His deepest calling and yearning in human form. That one is Zerema. I shall always see her as a stranger. And I am certain that very soon, the gods will reveal to us her wanton and desire Enubene clan, Obiageli. I stand on wing words. The truth be told, I may not be wrong.
Oriako. Wait. Your beauty is like the rising sun. It glimmers and gives warmth to all. There is nothing that I need more than to have you all to myself. To have and to hold you in my arms and to feel the passion of your skin.
Why has he found her? And why does he refuse to listen to me? I have seen it. I will destroy them. I will bring to you their happiness. I will destroy them.
Friend, who do you seek to destroy? Your fury grows, and I sense
Anthills behind our huts. They are beginning to stalk us and laying waste our tubers of yams.
ant hills. You seemed so angry, as though you spoke of someone, an enemy or enemies.
Enemies? Why would I have enemies?
We all have enemies. We are all humans, and at some point we offend people.
I have no enemies.
This love shimmers like the blooming rays of hope. Ofoma, she loves me.
She will wreck you, and nothing shall be left of you. She is the temptress.
Tell me, why will someone from nowhere bring me hurt?
And why would someone from nowhere bring you love? Open your eyes and come out of this love beyond the clouds you have immersed yourself in. Our elements are moon and water. she will destroy you.
You lie. Ofoma, you lie. They are telltales of you. Sometimes I wonder what spirit possesses and consumes you. Your words are rather terrifying and harrowing. As though you find solace in spilling doomsays.
I tell you the truth, Shideo. I speak only the truth.
That truth holds no water.
Go away from me. Go. What do you speak of? What do you speak of, O forbearer of the wind? Trance of the wind! Leave me be! Eyes of the air! Go and do not disturb me. For I am only a miserable woman, cursed and banished from the terrains of Ubene, to wallow in the chasms of loneliness and anguish. Go away, for I cannot hold your message. I cannot sojourn to Ubene to help them. No, I shall not help them.
Zema! Zem! Ma! I'm sorry, Ma. Did I hurt you?
No, I am well.
Look, I found the leaves. I ventured further into the bushes.
You have saved me once again. Thank you.
Jidofo. Jidofo. Why? Why have you chosen to abandon the essence of our love?
Essence of our love, you speak? Achikala, no. You are mistaken. We never had love. What we had was lost. For you craved and desired me more than I did you.
Are you mocking me?
I mock you not. I only speak the truth. We were never meant to be. I beg of you, please understand.
You held on to me while waiting for the priceless jewel you make everyone believe. You used me.
No, I did not use you. I did not. My heart goes for her. I will not lie to you. Please, let me be.
How can you be so sure of her? Someone who emanated from the murky haze of nothingness? Someone who is believed to be the river of death. She can only bring you nothing but gloom.
Let me decide that.
Jidofo. Please, don't leave me. For if you leave me, I grieve day and night. Grieve and grieve. And my day shall lose its brightness, for you are my light. And my time shall pass by abruptly.
My friend Kaimara says that you do not love me as much as I do you. I need to know. Tell me the truth. Please, tell me.
What truth do you speak about?
Love. Look into my eyes and tell me the truth that you love me and that you'll forever be with me and that you profess your love for me to all and sundry here in Ubene and beyond, that you love me.
You have bit the finger that fed you. Your tongue shall I lay to waste, for I shall crush her. I will seize the air that she breathes. I shall be her death. Sorrow shall I give to her as drink. Sorrow shall I give to her as water to drink. I come for you, Serema. I come for you, Serema. I come for you. I come for you.
Thank you so much, Ezechi. You are so kind.
Oriako, can I get a hug? It's the least you can do. Oriako, you have bewitched me. I am always at your service.
Why do I quiver when he moves close to me? He has not touched me yet. Yet, my body betrays me. Oh, I hope he did not notice. He must not notice. Could this be blood on the cooking knife? What does this signify?
Why? What scares you?
It was there. I saw it! The knife. The bloodied knife.
But there lies nothing. Absolutely nothing.
The gods bear me witness. I saw it! It was
Old and wise one, which of the foreboding puzzles of answers? I saw you in my dream last night, beckoning on me to come, that you have a message for me.
Beware. Beware of the man you think you know.
Beware from who and why?
Jidofor stole your glory. He sits on your candescent glow. He relinquished your light.
Jidofor, my friend?
My promise to your late father to take care of you and your sister continues. Beware of him. But he will make you crawl like an ant. Then fly. And hovering around you like a hive of bees.
Has stolen my glory! Jidofor, the one I consider a friend and a brother.
He is your enemy. He outshone you, and you must see him as an enemy.
Wise one, I will...
Go! Go and plot. Plot and bring to ruin the happiness of his love. Go now. Do not say a word to me. Keep it to yourself. Let your actions speak for them.
What do you speak of?
I saw it. It was a knife stained with blood. And I could tell it was human blood. She is pregnant.
For all you care, she may be innocent.
I am not accusing her, my brother. I am only saying that it is rather strange and uncanny. What if she's the ghosts that seek to haunt you? What if indeed she is on a mission?
What if, you say? What if not?
I can see that you are blinded by love. Your eyes sought her. But I pray the gods help us. for I shall go to seek answers from the eccentric seer.
Onogo, she has never loved us. She swore to our late parents never to help us. Oriako. Oriako. Who is there? Who is there? Zemba! 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 Zemba!
Jidofo! Jidofo! What is it?
I cannot find her.
What do you mean?
Oriako, I do not see her.
What do you mean you cannot find her?
Oriako, I do not see my beloved. Ma!
Jidofo! Jidofo! Ewo. Obiageli was right all this while. A scarlet woman has come to harm my brother.
Help me. I need your help. Help me. Trace of the wind and goddess of the hereafter. Please send your messenger to bring forth my water. Send your messenger. For in 7 nights shall my skin rain and squeeze.
You cursed beauty who roams around looking for whom to come on. How dare you come here to put a hedge between Jidofo and I? Who are you? Do not pretend you do not know me, for I know who you are. You are the temptress, the cursed beauty.
Get your hands off me.
I swear that I'm going to seize the earth that you breathe, to set it 6 feet beneath.
Not even your wildest of dreams, Achika.
Of the wind, do not beseech me. Beseech me not, for I am only a lonely and abandoned woman whose cross is to roam this daunting forest and to return to the sands of time alone and unremembered. Please, let me go. Let me go, please.
Her happiness is meant to be short-lived. Her love turns to mops. Her smile becomes tears. For the moon will not see her glory. Her beauty will fade, and her bones wither. And the leaves of life she clings to will become poison. She is the hereafter. She is the river death.
Jideofor! 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 Please leave her alone. Maybe it's her time.
Oriako, go back to our bird and wait for me.
No. You're my only brother. I can't bear to lose you. Please,
Oriako, I said go back.
Go.
Now!
Don't go!
Go back, I said, Oriako.
Don't go.
Now. Go back home. Please.
You shall go back and let her be, you cursed son of Chike's loins.
I am not cursed, Onogo. Why seer, mother of doom? I sojourn to find my beloved, and no one will stop me, not even you.
The Tempress is veiled and has been taken by the gods. Neither you nor anyone can stop them from bringing her to the facet of her truth, the tragedy of her life. So be it.
She speaks as though she has a vendetta against us. What could she be hiding?
Where does she come from? Because it has never been heard that a maiden wanders into the terrains of Ubene Kingdom unguarded.
Ichie Udonna. Rumor has it that she's a wandering ghost that feeds on dead souls.
No wonder. No wonder. But why had she chosen Chike's son, Jideofor? What could she want from him? Eh?
Ichie Udonna.
Hey!
Hello.
Former, my brother. I swear by the air that I breathe, she was not dead. I only pushed her and that was all.
If you didn't kill her, then who did?
I feel a disquiet mystery about her. I am certain she was ready to die.
Are you trying to say she killed herself?
Someone is setting me up.
Who could that be?
I imagine it's Kaimara. In the hollow of her eyes, I see a driving bitterness and envy towards me. But I may be wrong. Ofoma, my brother, we go into dreams and mysteries of prediction.
It is not her.
Who? Who then?
I do not know. But we must take this burden upon us and act fast.
What do we do?
My brother may not come back. I may not see his face again. Oh, God of Ubene, why have you chosen to cause us with such a sad ordeal?
Oriako, stop this! Stop this! Jideofor is going to be back. Whoever Zarema is, she was just a shadow.
Yes. That's what she is. And that's what she will always be.
Jidofor! Oh, how it suits me to see you back, hale and hearty.
She is a shadow. Just an illusion that I may never come to understand.
Forget about her. If she is meant to be by your side, she will be back.
Take heart, Jidofor. The gods are wiser.
Greetings, Izuna. Oando.
Greetings, Oriako. She look as beautiful as ever.
Thank you, Izuna.
It seems you've forgotten the love we once shared.
Izuna, I am with someone else now.
Very well then. My sister is not feeling fine. She needs your brother.
My brother is sulking. But come with me. I shall help you.
Who? Who did you see? Oriako, talk to me. Who?
The one you call friend could be behind your misery and ordeal. He attacked her from behind. She screamed like a guild marlin. He stole her talisman. He has sworn to make your happiness a range of tears.
Ofoma is my friend. The brother I never had.
That is what you thought. When you see him, grab him. Tell him to confess.
Pardon me! I am a deserted and forgotten woman who no man will ever behold her beauty. I am the damned.
No! Who dares? Who dares Onogo, the raging viper whose curse swallows and brings? They have dared me. The leaf and the truth. I shall turn angrily and attack with my staff of truth. I shall go angrily. I shall go raging. I shall put asunder.
How an unknown beauty could come into our land and steal the heart of the most desired man in Ubene, Jidofo.
She's not human. She has a past that no one knows. But thanks to the gods for driving her away.
And what if she decides to come back? Who knows how many other of her men would be bewitched by her beauty?
Truth be told, she is beautiful, honestly.
And speaking of our men, look at who we have.
Izuna!
My love. Wow. Good to see you. How are you?
Fine, Izu.
I missed you. Uloma, how are you? Wow. Where are you heading to?
We were just taking a walk.
That's good. Yeah, I missed you.
Izuna, we'll be on our way now. Izu! Okay.
Ofoma! I demand answers! I demand answers immediately! Let me go! How dare you! How dare you! I dare you even more! I dare you, Ofoma! Spill it! Say it! Confess to me what you have done to my beloved Seremba! Confess! Lay your filthy hands on me! You cursed soul! Why did it take me this long to see the evil viper that has been before me, waiting for the perfect time to strike? Would you deny that you hate me? Deny it!
Oh no, I won't deny it. How I wish every night that you go into the mist and bushes of Ubene and be devoured by a wild animal.
Alas, my sister was right. Why do you hate me and yet pretend to befriend? I saved you. For I saved you from the tentacles of desperation. You hurt me. Ofoma, you hurt me. I saved your life.
Why did you do it? Tell me. Why did you do it? I never asked for your help. But you did. Because of your egocentric reasons. So I'll be eternally obliged to you. And crawl under you. Truth be told, that's what I have done all my life.
You outshine me, GTO4!
This is not you. Ofoma, this is not you. What spirit sows the seed of jealousy and shroud of biting envy within you?
I was bettered by one whose strength is greater than the riches of them all. I was born with gold and silver, not like you. What did I ever get from mingling with you? You are nothing. You have done nothing, man. When you rise in you are nothing but a magnet of misfortune.
You will never lay your filthy hands on my brother. Never again!
For your sake, I hope Zerema is healed and healthy. For I shall forget the bond of friendship we ever shared and destroy you with my bare hands. I swear to you, Ofoma.
Zerema! Zerem! Zerem! Obalam! Ma!
She's still alive?
I do not know.
You do not know? And your gift of foretelling vanished? Why went your gift of foretelling, Ofoma?
Leave me again, Zerema, for I shall not survive it.
What have you done, Ashikala? The songs will play soon, and all and sundry in Obene shall hear about this.
She was still alive when I left.
Someone may have helped you carry out your cause. But we will not be able to explain this mystery when the truth surfaces.
I am not afraid. Yes. I had wanted to kill her. And you helped me do that. Because we are bonded by blood.
Those blood will run that I aid and abet your wantons.
Blood does not boil against blood.
I hope the gods forgive you and spare us the unforeseen consequences.
We shall go to Onugu, the old and cantankerous witch. She shall help us conceal the secret.
What secret?
We shall throw her corpse into a pit.
You boil with a rage that seeks to consume you, Achikala.
She's back! I did your tiding, but she would not be defeated.
What do we do, old and wise one? We're certain of her death. She was further thrown into the pitfalls, but she's back.
Could it be her? Flesh and blood?
She is an entity with 3 lives. She has lost 2 already. The remaining life shall not be taken.
So, what do we do? For she will go screaming, telling everyone that it was I who attacked her. And I can't...
She will do no such thing. For I have cast a spell that will make her remember not her attackers. Henceforth, you shall succumb to my whims and caprices. Failure to do that, I will expose you.
How about my course? Will he ever be mine? Or am I just chasing after shadows hidden in the wind?
If you shall fight for this love with all thy strength, so be it. I sojourn with the trails of the wind, and when I come back, 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 you must destroy him, for it is your foreordination.
But I still hold him as a dear friend. He saved me when all I felt was a burning anguish and a bloating desolation. He came to my aid.
He did that to scorn you.